my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads and the sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high. Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose. Just me, my girl.
Good morning. Hi.
Hi. Good morning.
It's a beautiful.
You watch that way.
Oh, I gotta watch that way.
Stop looking at yourself. You're.
I think it's a Wednesday today.
Yeah, I think it's the 15th.
The 15th of July.
Yeah.
We're on our way to pick up Bob and Amy. It's supposed to be a hot one.
Well,
what are we thinking?
It's nice right now, but I think it's supposed to get up near 100 today.
Oh, yeah. All the fun.
Well, it's okay, because if it gets too hot, we can always turn around and come home.
No way. We got some good plans for today. Some freaky plans. Woo!
We can't tell you.
So stay tuned and we'll update you as we go.
Garden.
Oh, yes.
Look at that.
Ooh.
15,000 tomato plants, peppers, squash, and eggplant, I think. I'm not sure if it's watermelon or pumpkin. No pumpkin pie. Not yet. My sister behind me.
Left the city when the sky was gray. Traded concrete for the open way. State line greeted me with a sign. Now the road begins to roll and climb. Watch the barns pass by and weather red, just like the stories my old man said. The air is cooler and the wind is sweet. I can feel the engine beneath my seat. Endless cornrows on the right, green and gold in the morning light. Rolling hills and the open sky, watching the world go drifting by. Endless cornrows on the right, rolling hills and the open sky. Every acre tells a different tale of a summer
We're coming up to the hairpin turn.
Undulating round like a gentle sea. This keystone land is calling out to me.
He's doing well.
Not even.
Look out the mirror.
Yeah, I know.
Just a steady beat of the American.
That was nice. I like that. That's one of the
like a movie reel.
Better ones?
Yeah.
It is one of the better ones.
Quiet feels.
I mean,
great, two of them.
Green and gold in the morning light. Rolling hills and the open sky. Watching the
We're on 58.
world drifting by.
Okay, we're on 58.
Endless cornrows on the right. Rolling hills.
That way I can sync the videos.
The open sky.
Okay. So that's what you want me to do?
Yeah.
It's a rhythmic dance in the valley floor. Leaves me wanting to see a little more. Every curve reveals a brand new view.
get some shade anyways. Looks pretty cool. Yeah. Very
Woodsy.
squiggly. We're in Oil City. That's on the right. This is Main Street. So we're gonna go find a place to put some grub in our bellies. The first stop we went to, we couldn't find it.
No, it wasn't there. Somebody just decided they were going to take it down because it was too creepy. Ruin everybody else's fun.
Yeah. Oh, we stopped at Oil something Johnny's for lunch.
I give it maybe a 3 out of 5.
Yeah.
It's your average blah blah.
Blah blah.
I mean, Amy's sandwich looked about the best.
Yep.
And I don't understand why they couldn't put the Russian dressing on a Reuben sandwich, put it on the side. But anyway, I'm griping.
Okay. So that's it for that. On to our next destination if we can find it.
Oh, look, honey, we're in deer country.
No way.
Yeah. 40 miles an hour on this road. Were they crazy?
Sun is beating down a heavy baking heat as rubber meets a melting road and engines find their beat. The mountain air is thick and warm, but still we chase the breeze with blue carving a steady path through tunnels made of trees. With Amy and Barbara right behind, we ride the winding line. A crew of 4 on dusty roads where past and present twine. The rumble of the engines rolls against the rising haze as we head down through Oil City on these scorching summer days. We're on the hunt for vanished dreams and stories lost in time, to find a ghost of Pithole's heart, its fleeting golden prime. Born in 1865, a wild and roaring spark, where black coal flowed like water and lit up the mountain dark. A boomtown filled of pine and hope, a sudden crowded state, but swallowed back by forest green by 1868. On the empty meadows beak where the people stood, a phantom city sleeping deep within the quiet wood. We shut the engines down and let the hot wind soft and still, and listen for the echoes left on Pithole's ghostly hill. We're on the hunt for vanished dreams and stories lost in time, to find a ghost of Pithole's heart, its fleeting golden prime. Born in 1865, a wild and roaring spark, where black gold flowed like water and lit up the mountain.
We found Pithole City, booms, in 1865.
That's the main road. Clean water was scarce, so whiskey was cheaper and probably safer to drink now.
Yeah, I like that. Here's the town. This is the map of the streets.
And stories lost in time to find the ghost of Pithole's heart. It's City Golden Pine, born in 1865. Ohio and roaring spark, where black gold flows like water and lit up the mountain dark.
How does the end of 36?
Pithole.
Where we made the right.
I was calling it shitholes.
That does. Well, we're back in town, New Bethlehem. What a hot day.
Yes, sir.
Right now,
My
it's
stupidity.
right now it's 91, but we had as high as I think 96, 97.
Yep.
Woo, everybody's warm. And thanks for coming along. We had a sweaty day, enjoyable day.
Yeah.
Catch you later.
I've done this.
What was that?
I said I had to be out of my mind to want to do this.
Home sweet home.
Thank God.
Oh, like we said yesterday, home sweat home.
Home sweat home. Sweat body.
But they're the warm one today.
Yeah, my bad. I'm the one that wanted to go traveling. Blame the girl.
Nah. Alright, well thanks for coming along with us on this sticky ride. And we'll catch you on the next one. I think we'll take tomorrow.
Yes, please.
So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, tell your friends, and thank our subscribers.
Laughing loud with the sky so wide, adventures calling from every side. Through the curves, the road shines new.